Hey everyone, Jim with Jeep with Jim, and I bet you're wondering why I'm standing in front of a Gladiator right here. Well, I'll tell you. It's because LED Factory Mart was kind enough to send us a rain cover to try out on the JT. It's a sunny day, I know, but you know what? We're gonna try it out anyway, see how it fits. So let's get right to it. Find the mirrors first. And cover those mirrors first, it'll help hold it in place. So just remember, it's the black side out, not the silver side out. Now I'll put my windshield wipers over top to help it from blowing, to hold it down. We'll go ahead and strap it down on the bottom sides now. So we have these hooks, so you want to hook these to the bottom of the Gladiator so the cover's held nice and tight. When you get it where you want it to be hooked, then you adjust the strap. There's no rule on what you have to attach it to, so whatever you attach it to is up to you. Very quick and easy installation, took me 5 minutes to do. Remember, this acts as both a car cover as well as a rain cover. It's not just meant for keeping out the rain when you get your doors off, you can also use it as a car cover. And if we need to get in the cabin of the Gladiator for any particular reason, we got this great cover right here. Just undo the Velcro and unzip it, pull it back, get in, do what you need to do, zip it back up. And when you're all done, you need to put it all away. They include a great storage bag for it. My recommendation is if it does rain and you take this off, definitely let it dry before you fold it up. There you have it. Installed, taken off, folded up, put away. I'd like to thank LED Factory Mart for sending us this Gladiator rain cover, car cover. I think the owner of this Gladiator is going to really appreciate it when he's rolling around, he's got the doors off and it starts to rain. Thanks a lot, LED Factory Mart. Great job.